Hello, my name is Kimberley Uren and this is my PICO framework assessment. My clinical question is, for adults with back pain, is acupuncture more effective than pain medication at reducing back pain? I'll be searching this using Senal first. So why use Senal? Senal is an important research tool for nurses, allied health professionals, researchers, educators, and students. It provides access to over 3,600 active indexed and abstracted journals, including over 3,000 peer-reviewed sources. Senal includes publications from leading organizations such as the National League for Nursing and the American Nurses Association. In addition, Senal also includes journals with searchable cited references, helping researchers trace relevant research. To improve search effectiveness, Senal uses structured subject headings aligned with the National Library of Medicine's, allowing researchers to find new concepts such as COVID-19 and social distancing. So now I'll start my search by typing my problem, so back pain, into the search bar and select suggest subject terms. We'll go through and select back pain as my keyword for searching and subheadings that are applicable and select search the database. Now I'll go through and repeat with my I for intervention. In this case, it is acupuncture. Now I'm searching my comparison, so in this case, alternative therapies or pain medication. Now by selecting search history, I can go through and select my words for problem, so back pain and lumbago, and select search with OR. I will continue to do this with my intervention, so acupuncture or alternative therapies, and select search with OR, as well as pain medication or pain management, select with OR. Once I have completed this, I will select my combination words and search with END. This provides me with 161 results. So to narrow this down further, I will use my limiters like publication date and location. This has now narrowed down my search results to 5. And of those 5, I was able to find one that I believe to be applicable, number 3 there, which is the one I've chosen to use. Next, I will complete my search in Medline. So why use Medline? The United States National Library of Medicine developed Medline, a renowned bibliographic database that offers summaries and citations for articles pertaining to health and biomedicine. It is an important tool for academics, nurses, clinicians, and other health care workers. The Literature Selection Technical Review Committee guides the journal selections for the database, which includes a large selection of biological literature. In addition, Medline includes a head of print content from major publishers, providing timely access to the latest research. The database uses the medical subject heading thesaurus, a controlled and hierarchically structured vocabulary that allows precise and efficient searching by incorporating predefined terms and synonyms. The article I chose was to assess the effectiveness of acupuncture, either alone or with pain medication, in relieving pain in patients with acute low back pain, migraine, or ankle sprain in emergency departments. The trial involved 528 patients comparing 3 treatments: acupuncture alone, acupuncture plus pain medication, and pain medication alone. The primary outcome was that pain relief at 1 hour after treatment measured using a 10-point pain scale. Results showed that acupuncture provided pain relief comparable to pain medication, with no significant differences between the treatment groups. While acupuncture was found to be safe and acceptable, none of the treatments provided optimal acute pain relief. Again, I'm just going through in Medline, searching my comparison words. So a summary of the article. I've chosen the Gibbs reflective cycle for my reflection. So a description. I completed this assessment using the PICO framework to see if acupuncture works better than pain relief for back pain. I reviewed the literature, examined studies, and assessed the data comparing acupuncture to conventional painkillers. So F. Because the PICO framework offered a clear structure for breaking down the question, I initially felt comfortable using it, but as I looked over the data, I was surprised by how inconsistent the results of the studies were. Some favored acupuncture while others showed little variation among treatments. Because of this, I found it challenging to come to a definitive judgment. Evaluation. Using PICO to clearly structure the question made it easy to find the relevant and precise literature in large databases. However, it was difficult to make a definitive judgment due to the studies having various conclusions. Analysis. This project showed me that research isn't always straightforward. Some studies said acupuncture helps for a short period of time, while others stated conventional medicine or a combination of both is most effective. Conclusion. Using the PICO framework was useful, but understanding the research can be challenging. Acupuncture can be beneficial for some, but there is no clear evidence that it is more effective than medication. My action plan: next time I would focus on larger reviews that summarize multiple studies, pay closer attention to the quality of each study, and consider patient preferences as well. Thank you very much.